Hello, today's workout, you are going to be working on the lean machine. So no equipment necessary. If you have some kind of bead counter, make sure that you grab that because our score is going to be rounds plus reps. And we're doing as many of them as we can in 10 minutes. Now we're just going to be alternating between two different movements, the lunge squat and the bicycle ab. So not a lot of modification, but I'll go ahead and I'll show you the different movements and you can go ahead and get started. Okay, so we are going to start out with 15 lunge squats. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your right foot, you're going to lunge it backwards, and you're going to tap that knee on the ground, step it forward. You're going to take your left, you're going to lunge it back, step it forward, and then you're going to do a squat. Okay, and that's one. Now you got to do 15 of those. So sometimes I find it easier to go 1, 1, 1, then 2, 2, 2, just like that until you get your 15. Okay, not a lot of modifications for this, but if you do have some kind of pole, wall, or chair that you want to hold on to, you can go ahead and use that for a little bit of leverage to get you up if you need to, okay? Or obviously just don't go down as far. Just tap or just lunge, and then squat. Get a little bit of movement in there, okay? Your choice, what you want to do for your workout, just make sure that you're staying safe, okay? When you're going down in that squat, remember, first thing that moves back is your butt, so that way you can keep the weight in your heels and still be able to wiggle your toes. If you go straight down from here, your heels are going to come up, the weight's going to be in your toes, you're going to put a lot of pressure in your knees. That's what we do not want, okay? So 15 lunge squats, you're going to definitely feel the burn. And then you're going to go down into 30 bicycle abs. So what that is you're going to go ahead and lay flat on your back. Your hands are going to be bent behind your neck, behind your head. And you're going to go ahead and touch your right elbow to your left. And then throw that oh my goodness, touch your left elbow, your right elbow to your left knee, and throw that right leg out straight. So just like this, like you're riding a bike, keeping both feet up, trying to keep both shoulder blades off the ground, and you're just tapping that elbow to the knee, alternating just like that. Okay, now, if that's a little bit too much for you, feel free to drop both feet on the ground. Drop your shoulder blades on the ground and then just touch one and then come back down and then touch the other, okay? This will definitely take a little bit of pressure off those abs and make it a little bit more doable for you if you're not quite there yet to do the other type of bicycles. So you're doing 30 total of those. Then you're gonna hop back up. You're gonna go back into a lunge squat and then 30 bicycle abs. Every time you finish that, you're going to go ahead and move a bead on your bead counter. And so let's say by the end of the 10 minutes, you've completed 3 full rounds, 1, 2, 3, and you started onto round number 4. And maybe you've been able to get, we'll say 11 of the lunge squats. Okay, you completed 11 of those. So your score is going to be 3 plus 11. And so then that way, the next time you do this, you have your score to beat. Now you're going to get stronger. Your endurance is going to get better. Your movements are going to become more fluid as you continue to work out. So you're only in competition for yourself. Make sure that you stay safe and you have fun. All right, we'll see ya.